A sweet morning to my dear kids. How are you all? Hope all of you are in the best of your health with God's grace. I welcome you all with a very good morning to a new week and hope with the new sunrise of new week this week will go wonderful ahead for each one of you. Children, today I will be taking up literature chapter with you. So please open your books. We will read the chapter. I will explain you side by side and then we will be doing the back exercises of the chapter. So please open your books. Chapter number is 3, Come Back Mr. Sun, and page number is 30. But before that, all of you write your date, day and classwork as usual. So let's get started. Come back Mr. Sun. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are, up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. When the blazing sun is gone, when he is nothing shine upon, then you show your little light, twinkle, twinkle, all the night. So it's a small poem before the chapter for you, and I hope we went back to our junior classes, nursery and KG. Chalo beta. So with this wonderful Twinkle Twinkle Little Star, we start our chapter, reading of the chapter. This poem is about stars up in the sky. We also see these things in the sky. Now we have to rearrange the letters and write their names. Very easy, just a small exercise for you to be done. Like first is O-U-D-C-L-S, it becomes clouds. So there are 4 more words for you. You can arrange them according to the spellings. Now children, let's get back to our chapter. So I am starting reading the chapter, and side by side I will explain you also. Now children, as the name is Come Back Mr. Sun, so we come to know by the name only that there is something in the day that the sun is not there, and the people or the writer, they want the sun to come back. Now what is that come back and that they're telling sun? Let's see what's there. Mr. Sun decides to have some fun. Okay, now sun is also having a fun with us. What do you think he does? Now let's see what he will do. We are thinking, and my mind is going what he must have done. Let us see. Read and find out. It is Sunday morning. Okay, Sunday, very good. Mr. Sun looks down from the sky. Now it's Sunday morning, means holiday day of the children, and Mr. Sun wants to do something. You can say he's in a naughty mood, playway mood, and he wants to do something with the children. Let's see. Mr. Sun looks down from the sky. Now he looks down from the sky. Mr. Sun, I don't feel like shining today. I wish to rest. Oh my God. Like you children, or even I also sometimes think that I today don't want to do household work. I want to take rest. Today is Sunday, Sometimes we think, and you as children something think, Abhi nahi mama, I will study afterwards. I want to take rest, So now today's sun is also in such a mood. Mr. Sun goes away from the sky. It gets dark. Oh my God, Sunday, holiday, and the sun is not there. Feel how will be your day. First squirrel. Why it is so dark? Where is Mr. Sun? Now the squirrel is asking, why it is so dark? Where is Mr. Sun? Second squirrel. I feel afraid. Second squirrel say, oh my God, I am feeling afraid. What will happen? Where is Mr. Sun? Something is wrong. Let's go home. Now the second squirrel is saying, oh my God, sun is not there and something must be wrong. Let's go back home because it's too, you can say, dark here. Both rushed to their home in the holiday of a tree. In a hollow of a tree. Now both of them went back home because they were scared and it was all dark. So they don't know what to do. Plant. Where is Mr. Sun? Now the plant is also worried that where is Mr. Sun? I cannot make food without Mr. Sun. How will I grow? Now plant is also worried. Why? Because the sun was not there, and all of us know that the plants need sun to prepare their food. Now he is also worried that how will I make food? How will I grow if the sun is not there? Then now the pigeon comes to her chicks. Now the pigeon is there and she is telling her chicks, "Dear babies, it is dark outside." She is telling, "Dear babies, it's dark outside, means sun is not there. I cannot get food for you today." She says, "I cannot bring food for you, it's too dark outside." All the women, men and children stop whatever they are doing, and everybody was stunned to see that Mr. Sun has not come. What has happened? Why it is so dark? Imagine you and I are sitting and it's holiday, or even in general day also. If the sun is totally away from the sky, how we will feel? Obviously, we will be scared. They rushed to their homes and everybody went back to their home. One of the girls said, "Mr. Sun can't take a holiday. I have a football match today." Now one of the girls said, "Oh my God, how can Mr. Sun take a holiday? Today I have a match. He can't do this to me." "Boy, what will happen now? Please come back, Mr. Sun." The boy said, "Oh, Mr. Sun, please come back. Now what will happen?" It becomes very quiet on the earth. Everything comes to a standstill, and everyone is quiet because sun was not there and it was a morning time. However, Mr. Sun is very happy. Now Mr. Sun is very happy because he has done something very unusual and everybody was afraid. He was playing a prank on the people, Snow. Now Mr. Sun cannot melt me. I will make the earth cold. Now when everybody is sad, Snow is very happy. Why? Because she thinks that Mr. Sun is not there to melt her. Now she will make the whole earth very, very cold. It gets cold. It begins to snow. The water in the ponds and lakes and river freezes, and it's too cold because it was snowing and everything. Lakes, ponds, river, all water in these lakes, ponds was freezed because of the coldness in the environment. Earth, "Oh dear, I hope Mr. Sun come back soon." Earth says, "Please, I hope Sun come back." After some time, Mr. Sun looks down to see what everybody is doing. Now after resting some time, he comes back. Means slowly and quietly he looks at the people, what everybody is doing. He is shocked now. He was shocked. He was surprised. "Mr. Sun, oh, everything has come to stop. I must shine again." Now when Mr. Sun saw the people down, he was stunned. He was very shocked to see that everything was at standstill. Nothing was happening and all the people were very afraid and worried. "Oh, everything has come to stop. I must shine again." He thinks, no. I should shine now. I should go back. Slowly Mr. Sun comes out and slowly he comes back. Mr. Snow feels hot and goes away. Now Mr. Snow goes away because he was feeling hot because of the warmth of the sun. The flowers begin to smile. The pigeon finds food for their chicks. The squirrels begin to jump and play. Women, men and children come out of their homes. The girl goes to play football. Everyone is happy now. Now children, though it was a small chapter and a very nice chapter, but it teaches us a lesson that one day we can't imagine about a sun. See, everything came to a standstill. So it was a very beautiful chapter for us, and the writer is Dilip M. Salvi. Now children, let's move on to the back exercise with the hope that all of you have understood the chapter. Still you could not understand anything, you can ask me in tomorrow's live class. Exercise A. Fill in the blank with the words from the box. So there are few words given to us in the box like scared, froze, dark, away and rest. Now we have to fill in these blanks. Mr. Sun did not feel like shining. He wished to dash, rest. When Mr. Sun went away, it became what? Dark. The water in the ponds and rivers froze. Everyone rushed to their homes because they were scared. When Mr. Sun came out, Mr. Snow went away. Exercise B, that is the question answers we will do in notebook. Now we will move on to exercise C, that is a reference to the context. I cannot make food without Mr. Sun. How will I grow? Who said this and to whom? These words were said by Plant. Why did Mr. Sun go away? To take a holiday and rest. He wanted to take a rest. Is the speaker worried? Why? Yes, the speaker is worried. Why? Because it cannot make its food. Plant was very worried because plants needs air, sunlight and water to grow. And now next, second, everything has come to a stop. I must shine again. Who said this? Mr. Sun. What happened when the speaker did not shine? Everything came to a stop or halt. Another word for stop is halt. H-A-U-L-T, halt. How did the speaker feel when they looked down from the sky? Mr. Sun was shocked. He was shocked to see the scene from up because everything was at halt. Everything and every person stopped doing the work. Now children, let's move on to the next exercise, that is the E part. Use words from the box to describe the movement of these animals. Now there are words slither, hop, fly, flutter, swim, gallop. We have to these are the movement of different animals, so we have to write in front of them, like horses gallop, ducks swim, snakes slither, rabbits hop, birds fly, butterflies flutter. Next, F. Some words are made by joining two words. Match the column to make new words. Write them in the blanks. Now there are many words which are made by joining two separate words. Like one is done for you, rain plus fall is equal to rainfall. And children, in grammatical term we call them as compound nouns. Such words are known as compound words or compound nouns, in which two different words are joined to make a new word, and all the three words have different meaning. Now here you can see like rain has its own meaning, fall has its own meaning, and when we join rainfall it has a third meaning. So two separate words which are joined to make a new word are known as compound words or compound nouns. Thunder storm becomes thunderstorm. Sunlight becomes sunlight. Snow flake becomes snowflake. Spring time becomes springtime. Now exercise next, G part. Words such as spice, price and nice end in ICE. Similarly, words such as raw, saw, paw and ends in AW. Look at the picture, fill in the letters to make the words with ICE or AW. First is rice, second is straw, STRAW, straw. Next is MICE, mice. Fourth is your draw, DRAW, draw. Fifth, CLAW, claw. And sixth is your DICE, dice. Now children, this is exercise H. It's your homework. Rewrite these sentences using capital letters and full stop. Now you need not to rewrite the sentences. You just, like a Mr. Sun, S should be capital, cut S and do full stop. Decided to take a holiday. After holiday you put a full stop. It, cut I and make it capital IT, it like this. So cut here only and make do the words. No need to do again because the space is less in your book and it will be messy. So please do it here only. Now children, exercise P. Now there are some words. Listen to your teacher and read aloud some words. Write them words rhyming with. Now I will speak the words and you will tell me the words rhyming with here. Like free, tree, soon, moon, fun, sun, herd, bird, shiver, river, train, rain. So these are the rhyming words. What are rhyming words? Rhyming words are the words which have the same sound at the end of the word. I hope, children, that chapter is clear to you and you have done the back exercises also. Still, you have any doubt, you can ask me in tomorrow's live class. Tomorrow, we will be doing the notebook work of this chapter, and today by evening, please send me this book work for checking. Till then, bye. Have a great day. God bless you all. Thank you.